yung number one killer ng mga artists is yung practicality. So when you were let's say 14 to 18 years old, dyan pa yung yung usbong yung pagiging artist mo, na you're a rebel, you're trying to change things. Tapos kapag nararamdaman mo na yung practicality ng buhay, nawawala na yung pagiging artist mo. Yung goal mo as an artist is hindi mawala yon, na lolokohin ka ng mundong to, na be practical, na be realistic. Lahat to, yung society, yung pamilya mo, lolokohin ka, pero i-keep mo yung pagiging artist mo na yon, because yun yung tinatawag ni Plato na prime movers. I don't know if that's Plato, but this is from Ayn Rand, no? Yung The Fountainhead book niya, na merong mga tao sa society na prime movers sila, na they're the one moving the society, they're the one innovating. So continue being the prime mover, na at wag mong hayaang mamatay yung pagiging artist mo sa practicality. Kung darating yung oras sa buhay mo na kailangan mong mamili kung practicality or following your intuition, following the artist way, then follow the artist way, because maangas yun at yun yung kailangan hindi mamatay, because you are a prime mover, my friend.